And welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Barry. Today, well, I got a front lip on the ground, and you know what? It got fixed. Ignore the terrible wrap job from me, but it is fixed. I am so glad that it's fixed because I have been without a front lip for a couple months now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've given the shop my front lip to fix, and it's taken, I don't know, 4 months, 5 months. Hey, it didn't bother me, but you know, it's fixed. I'm going to do a quick install of it because I already have pre-existing holes. All right, pre-existing holes. It should be a very quick one. It goes down. You know, personally, I don't feel like I should take the bumper off because you guys seen me take this bumper off a couple times now. So I think I'm just gonna do a quick install by removing the 10 millimeters underneath and then use the pre-existing holes and reattach it. All right, so I lifted the car up on some sort of wood. Now to give me some more space and really to release the bottom, I'm gonna use the Lexus screwdriver and a 10 millimeter to get these 10 millimeter bolts out all over here. Just another install day, you know. Oh, this thing feels kind of rusted. But it's okay. Bam, taking one out. Now I got this one and those ones. I'm gonna use my screwdriver one time because it'd be weird to mention it but not use it. Now this does take you do need some space, otherwise your hand is gonna, you know, get scratched up. But this takes a little bit longer, but you know, it's okay. See, it came out pretty easily. See, now we have space. Right, for me to put my washers and nuts and bolts. That's what I like to use, nuts and bolts to install a lip. All right, now that I got all the bolts out that I need, let's position this. All right, position. Okay. Now the question is, what do I use? I'm gonna use these. A, J, C. So question is, do I go downwards or upwards? Right. My recommendation, you want to go downwards when you install it. That way you can go from underneath to get this right here, because you're gonna want it to go this way, coming from the top of the bumper going down. Why? Because it will be just enough space for you to put a washer through. Additionally, having this go upwards is gonna prevent the bumper being reinstalled properly. I've got 4 holes. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's put it on. Let's verify. Okay. Yep, that went through, of course. Now let's actually push this thing through. Okay, we got something. Is it easier to remove the bumper? Yeah, but at the same time, look at that. It's on. All right, let's work on the other one. For this side is gonna be a lot more, no space because it's got a little thing back here. So I'm coming from this side. I hope there's enough space. Ooh, close. Oh, let's go. Come on. Ooh, look at that. Now, I do recommend, if this is your first time, this is not how you install it, I do recommend that you take off the bumper. But, you know, like I said, I've done this so many times on my bumper that, yeah, ignore my liner. This thing's all jacked up. Reinstall your liner when you do, because I did that one time, forgot to, and it messed it up. Now we are on the passenger side. Oh, actually, there's a lot more space on here for some reason. That's pretty cool. It's a lot of space here. Now, when you do this, make sure you make the hole kind of big. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. All right, let's do the last one. All right, last one for the middle. I've done this, yeah, peel back, and then look for the hole and insert it. God, come on, I had it. Man, if you get this first time go, I'm proud of you. For this one, I have to come from the top of it, looking at it from top versus laying down. But you know what, it got through. Bam. And everything's in. So now let's try to do the corners. My dumb self forgot that there's another one over here. I was like wondering why, because there's actually have 5 holes. It's just I have my vinyl covering it, but it's this one. Let's see if I can do it. All right, peel back. Actually, let's reconfirm the hole real quick. Yep, hole is reconfirmed. And look for the hole. Oh, you know what? There's a pre-existing washer there. Bam! Damn, look at that. All in. Actually, for the sides, I can just access it from up top right here, since the hole's right here. I can get access to it. Okay, I got all my things up. Now I'm gonna put the lip up and put the washer underneath, and then 11 millimeter. All right, let's see if I can make this actually fit. First I align the lip. That's what I'm doing right here. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's different installing a lip like this versus how I normally do it. So I'm gonna need to feed it through the previous holes and then put a washer underneath, and then it should work. So what I'm doing is I'm just aligning these holes and just putting them in like that. And then I got my washers underneath. All right, for the most part, I got the lip on. For this side, I had to put the screws upward. That way it doesn't protrude from underneath. But let's go to the other side. But yeah, so far so good. Everything looks pretty good. All right, without wasting anybody's time, I'm gonna show you the results. Yep, looks pretty good to me. Yeah, a lot of 11s, a lot of washers. It was just a waste of time filming this because, well, it was just a waste of time. But this is how I did the sides. Got that right there. So, got the screw going upwards. Got it going, yeah, doing that. So it's working out pretty nicely though. Let me show you underneath. All right, got that attached, got that attached. Got the washers there. Washers there. Washer there. Yeah. Yeah. But the importance of putting these screws back in, because this is gonna happen. This will fall out and just like, yeah, this will happen to me on the freeway. But you know, it's okay. I'll replace it eventually. But so far, pretty rock solid. I like it. Let me show you this side. Yeah, same thing. We got the screws going upwards. It's not bad. They did a pretty good fix. I like it. It looks so good. Wow, that is kind of low. Do I like it? Yeah, I likes it. Damn. Damn. Oh, can't forget my screwdriver. Damn, that's pretty cool. All right, in reference, that's how low it is. But that's because this is a little divot right here. But I'm pretty sure it'll be higher once I move it off the little cobblestone ground right there. But that's what it looks like, guys. This is an Artisan Spirit front lip. Artisan Spirit. Now, the reason why you're wondering why there's no label there, well, I actually covered it. I covered it because I didn't want the Artisan Spirit label there, and I didn't like the indent there. But I think it's a cleaner look. Ignore the dirt. It's kind of still winter time here in Germany. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Ah, I love it. Really low. I gotta be really careful now because I'll eventually rewrap the car, but there's some damages right here, or was. But hey, this lip covered it up. But now I should be very careful driving this car now. Damn. Artisan Spirit, front lip. Now, what I recommend, I will say this. It took a lot longer to do. No, it was pretty quick. It was actually pretty quick, but it's a lot easier if you take off the bumper. For sure, it's easier to take off the bumper because I don't know. My hands are very yeah, jacked up right now because it's very tight spaces and it's cramped. It was very cramped. So you have to really maneuver and do some acrobatic type weird contortion, body contortion things to get yourself in the right position to install the front lip. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you like this lip because I like this lip a lot. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, see you next one. Peace.